Are you interested in international development? Do you want to connect with others in the international development community? Then join us online on May 26th and May 27th for SID Washington's 2021 annual conference. You, along with hundreds of other professionals around the world, will be able to connect, share, and learn about the most pressing issues of development today. Last year's virtual conference brought together more than 1,300 people from over 60 countries around the world, and we hope to bring even more diversity and people to this year's conference. This year's theme, Mind the Gap, Recalibrate for Equity and Impact, will shed light on the disruption caused by the COVID pandemic and the widening gap in so many areas affecting international development. You can expect discussions on diversity, equity, inclusion, climate change, private sector engagement, local funding, education and workforce, technology and innovation, and of course, the pandemic and its effect on international development. Like our conferences in the past, we will have keynote addresses, plenary sessions, breakout panels, learning labs, lightning talks, our innovation contest, sponsor spotlights, an exhibit hall, and more. You will also have plenty of opportunities to network with others one-on-one, in small groups based on common interests, or through our online discussion board. We hope you'll leave the 2 days with a greater sense of what is happening in international development, what needs to be done, and with new connections. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter or check out the conference website for the latest updates on our program and speakers.